Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming you have usable Play credits. Open the Play Store and check payments and subscriptions to see your balance. Once done, make sure the app you want purchases from uses Google Play billing, because only those accept Play credits. Next, sign into the Google account that holds the credits. Switching accounts mid-purchase can fail. Now open the app and navigate to the item or subscription you want. This starts the in-app purchase flow using your Play balance. You'll see the in-app purchase sheet once you select an item, read the price, and tap Buy. When the payment methods list appears, choose your Google Play balance so the system applies credits first. Play uses balances before other methods. Make sure you authenticate, fingerprint, PIN, or password, because that final step authorizes Google to transfer the balance. If it's a subscription, confirm recurring terms. After confirming, wait for the success message and a purchase receipt email to verify the transaction. Once the purchase completes, check your order history and the app to ensure the item is available. Many apps require a restore purchases action after reinstalling. If the purchase didn't register, first sign into the same Google account and use the app's restore or restore purchases option. For a stuck balance, clear the Play Store cache, confirm your Play country and family payment settings, and then retry. If problems persist, contact Google Play support. That single tip often resolves account or balance recognition issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.